doing today is most times people find it hard to take quick bridal portraits for makeup artists or photographers, whatever it is. I just want to teach you how to take it with like your on-camera flash and take really good portraits. Now, the first thing I'm seeing when I get here is like we have a lot of natural light in the studio, and you can opt to do that. But most times when you go to like a hotel, you won't have natural light to shoot with. So what I want to do now is that I'm using this reflector here to block natural light that's coming in, and that's hitting our subject, who is Ben. So that's Ben. So I'm using this to block the light that's hitting our subject, because most times when you go to a hotel to go shoot your bride, you're not going to have natural light. So the rest of the light that's coming in, I'm just going to see it as ambient light, like normal light that you have in the hotel. Then after that, I'm just going to turn off my flash and take a picture, and I'll show you guys on the screen once I do that. My settings, I took a picture before, so I just set this. I think 1/25 of a second, f2.2, ISO 100. And you want to shoot with low apertures most of the time because, sorry, you have to just go behind you. Step forward, please. Sorry. Yeah, you want to shoot with low apertures most of the time because you can actually isolate the background. And now we're using this background, basically. Sorry, can you just point the camera there? That's going to be our background because we have lights there, and we're just going to like blow the lights out and get this really like good depth of field. So like I said, you have to shoot at very low apertures. Your ISO normally will be like pretty low, except you really have to jack it off, and your shutter speed between 1/80th and 1/25th of a second. So I'm just going to take a picture and show you guys on the screen. Chair, bam. Yeah, turn this way. Chair, this way. This way. Let me take a picture now. And yes, so now I'm going to turn on my flash. Turn on my flash, 1/16, yeah, 1/16, and I'll take a picture. I'll show you guys what this looks like. Like I said, I'm blocking natural light that's hitting her. I'll show you guys what this looks like on the screen. So now what I want to work on is the pose, right? It's not really good when somebody's just looking at you like heads on most of the time, so it's good you turn them to like an angle. Make sure like the shoulder is almost like facing the camera. So now I want you to turn just like that, not too much, bring it back, yes, like that, then chin up a little bit, then turn towards the camera this way, turn your head towards me. Okay, now this is the second picture that I've taken. I like it. Now for the third one, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to introduce a reflector, and I need somebody to come and hold this for me. Assistant. Okay, yeah, you can do it. So just hold this reflector like this. So what I'm doing with my flash is I'm bouncing my flash off this white ceiling. If you do not have a white ceiling, that's a problem. But yeah, I'm bouncing off the white ceiling. Now the reflector will just bounce the light back under her face and fill her up. So, okay, sorry, can you bring this down a bit? Because I'm shooting from like a very low angle. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Really nice. You know what? Just bring the chair closer to you. Just a little bit. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Make sure this is upright. Can you bring this reflector down at the front? Like this part. Okay, yes. Okay. Great. Okay, it's fine. So I just want you to be very comfortable, and it's fine. You can smile, you can just be very comfortable, and look at me. Okay, great. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring your sister into it. So Chair. Rem. Chair, come this way. I want you to just stay at her side here.
Okay. Do you use a chair?
Nah. I just want her to like lean. Yes, but you have to like bend down. Like almost, can you bend to her like? Or do you know?
Should we use this thing to cover their shoulders?
After this, look. So hey guys, I want to show you what it's like from where I'm shooting. So chair and chair, it's fine. Doesn't matter, both of you are here now. So this is what it looks like, and I'm shooting from an angle. and because I'm shooting with an 85mm with my Canon 5D Mark III, the background is like really blurry, and that's what's helping because I'm shooting with very low aperture. And we have both models here, so I just want to show you guys what it's like for me. So just hold the camera here. Okay, so I like it, but I want you guys to be closer to each other, and just like that. Beautiful. Nice. Close your eyes. Okay, nice. So I want you to bring this hand forward, like almost like that. Great. Okay, so guys, this is like the second look, and for this one we're using the huge diffuser to diffuse the light that's coming out the back. So it's just going to give us this white seamless background like a studio setting. And now we're going to use our flash to fill it. So I'm going to take a picture now with my camera settings. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. We just have the light coming from the back, and now we're going to turn on our flash and use our flash to actually fill in our subjects. So can you bend your head towards your sister a little bit? Okay, then you just nice. You guys should look at me. Okay, pretty. Okay, now we need a reflector to fill in our shadows. So Smade. Yeah, it takes a village, trust me. Okay, so just bring this down a bit. So we'll have a reflector and beautiful. Okay. Nice. Okay, let me bring this down a little bit. So what we're doing is we're actually using everything that any makeup artist or photographer should have. So it's just the camera. We're using an 85. If you are using the crop censored camera, you have to use like a 50mm to get like the same field of view and get a lot of people to assist you. I guess. Oh, we have a nice picture. Okay, I need you guys to keep posing. Okay, so what you guys are going to do is that if you guys are looking away, or you guys look away together, if you guys are looking at me, I want you guys to look at me together. Shoulders to the front, shoulders a little bit to the front. No, just bring it towards me. Then take down to the back a little bit. You too, shoulders. So you guys should look at me together. Nice. Chin up a little bit. Yes, nice. Beautiful. Yeah, turn your face a little bit towards me. Nice. Then bend your head towards your sister. Beautiful. But yeah, for this one, I practically used like the same settings. I had my shutter speed at 1/125th of a second, f2.2, and ISO 100, and my flash is set at 1/16. Zoom is at 50mm. So that's about it. Kelvin is at 5,000. So now we have to turn around again. So guys, this is the final one. We're shooting with natural light. I'm using this diffuser here to reduce how harsh the light will be. So the light is going to be very soft. Then we'll have Smade here, who is our hair guy and our reflector guy. Hold the reflector for us. Can you sit up? Don't rest too much. Yes, nice. Beautiful. So yeah, like I said guys, we're shooting with the 85mm 1.8 Canon 5D Mark III, f2.2, 1/125th of a second. That's our shutter speed, and ISO 100. Now I'm just going to take my ISO up a bit to 160. Take a picture of our model chair. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Chair. Smith, can you bring the reflector down a little bit? Yes, nice. Okay, so guys, we are done taking pictures of this one, and we're going home. That's about it. So, hey guys, the camera, please. Say thank you to
Thank you to Prince Meyson.
Thank you, Smith, for coming to
Thanks, boss.
make hair. And Chebem and Cherem.
Thank you, Prince Meyson.
Yeah, they're twins. Come on. Jeez. And ha! What's your name?
Mimi.
What?
Mimi.
And you work with?
Dodos.
Okay, so everybody say thank you to Mimi for us. Where's Moe? Where is she?
Mimi.
Aha! She's hiding.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Yeah.
So, thank you guys for watching today's video, I guess. Oh, by the way, this is Ore. He got me the 85 I used today because I don't have one anymore. So that's Ore. Yeah.
Thank you.
So, you guys, thank you for watching today's video. Subscribe to the channel. So wait, we're going to remove this hair now. I feel bad. Let's not remove it yet. Okay, let's just look at it for a bit. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I'm doing a video with Dodos today. She's leaving us. Actually, you know, hold on. I don't know why. Shutter speed's kind of like messed up.
Do you mind? I'll rather like
Okay,
glow
it's
from
better
here.
now.
Excuse me, do you mind recording from this angle? I just really want to glow. Like I
From
want to
where?
pop. I want to face the natural light.